Hi guys, welcome back for another video. So after living in Cebu for several years, we finally made a big move. We transferred here in Cebulan, Negros Oriental. One of the main reasons talaga is para mas mapalapit kami sa family ng husband ko. Tagal na naming pinag-uusapan to, pinagplanuhan, and now we are finally here. A new place, a new beginning. Nung una namin tinignan ang bahay as in literal na walang laman. Like isang kama lang, isang mesa, and then dalawang upuan. Yun lang, para kaming bumalik sa umpisa, but we took it as a blessing in disguise. Kasi kahit challenging siya, it's also exciting. We get to build our home from scratch. So, we started buying the basics. Unang-una, syempre, lutuan kasi kailangan namin makapagluto para makakatipid. Kasama na dyan ang stove, kawali, at rice cooker. Hindi pwedeng mawala yan. Then we got some kitchen utensils like kutsara, tinidor, kutsilyo, at ibang pinggan para makakain kami ng maayos. Naghanap na rin kami ng coffee mugs kasi syempre, coffee is life. Small joys, diba? Katabi nito, we bought a small dining table. Simple lang siya, pero it's already special for us kasi ito yung isa sa mga unang gamit na binili namin dito sa bagong bahay. Then comes the working table. Since pareho kaming may remote work, really needed a space to focus on and be productive. At simple lang yung table and chairs. Ang importante is may maayos kaming pagtatrabahuan. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang tulugan. We bought a bed para may maayos kaming pahingahan after a long day. Slowly but surely, we're trying to make this space more livable and comfortable. At dahil sobrang init lately, like grabe talaga ang summer heat, we decided to buy an electric fan. It may sound small pero malaking bagay siya for our daily comfort. Masarap ng hangin habang nagpapahinga or nagtatrabaho. Right now, parang nagbabahay-bahayan pa rin kami. Kunti pa lang mga gamit, wala pa masyadong decorations, hindi pa masyadong ayos. Pero alam mo yung feeling na kahit simple, basta kasama mo ang mo sa buhay, masaya ka na, right? This experience really taught us to appreciate the small things. Before, we had more things, pero ngayon, we're starting to see the beauty in having less. Living simply, living intentional. Kakagaan ang pakiramdam. Walang clutter, walang sobra. Just the things we truly need. Every time na may nadadagdag na gamit, natutuwa kami kasi alam namin pinaghirapan namin yun. Hindi man sabay-sabay pero paunti-unti nabubuo namin ang tahanan namin. We're basically starting over, but we're also filled with so much hope and excitement. This new place, this new season, it's a reminder that it's never too late to begin again. At habang inaayos namin ang bagong tahanan namin, mas nai-excite kami sa mga susunod na chapters ng buhay namin dito sa Cebulan. We know there will be challenges, but with faith, teamwork, and love, kakayanin lahat. Thank you so much for watching from an empty house to a not so empty one now. I'm hoping na masusubaybayan nyo pa ang simpleng buhay namin dito. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow me kung gusto nyo masundan pa ang simpleng buhay namin dito sa Negros Oriental. See you in my next video. Bye!